Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have the third part, okay, of AliExpress unboxing of stamp cross stitches from other stores. Include Meian, include Huacan, include Zozack. I think ASDQ is in there. But you know, I don't I don't have time to separate it by store, so I got a whole bunch of cross stitch over here. Order some box. So today we have another 3 unboxing. We have one that is particularly familiar with Chuck Pinson, how you say it, Chuck Pinson paintings. So, and this one is cotton thread. This one I didn't request it in a silk thread because I have we have over here a thread cutter, some needles, a needle threaded, and a thimble, okay? Let me get you a little bit closer. We have the inventory again. Here you get the DMC code and the number of floss. I don't know what this means. So, oh, this one got puncture in there. Let's take a look at the rest. We can take a look at that later. Okay. Over here we have the picture. Oh, it's like a book. Oh, this is neat. Okay, this one has 30 colors. Okay, so here is the picture. I think this is a 14 count. Yeah, it's a 14 count. Oh, it tells me over here. Okay, this is a 14 count. The picture is blurry, so you're gonna see it blurry, okay? And here is the chart with the symbol in form of different pages. Okay. This is water soluble, so don't risk it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 frame of pages. Over here tells you the instructions on cross stitches and cleaning and maintenance, and this was 30 colors. Okay, this one has 30 colors. So let's get into this in here. This one probably had the cards, but I took it out because I found it strange and I need them for something else. So that's why you don't see the cards. Anyway, I do kit it up some other way. Here it is. 68 by 88. For 30 colors, I think there should be more colors. But here they are. You can distinguish though. Here's the house. But 28 probably is the lake. 28, 37, 56. Okay, a lot of confetti. Confetti heavy. Here are the symbols. Here is the picture. Here are the symbols, very clear with the DMC code. You got a lot of blocking on the top side and some confetti. But the heaviest of the confetti is down here. There is no smudging. The symbols are clear. The numbers are clear. Okay, here they are. a lot of red together, but they're different symbols, so I can handle that. Okay, so let's get to see. Let me grab the package. It fell out. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at the floss. These are cotton, these are not silk, but it's 30 colors. There are no hanks in here. Let's go deep. I'm just taking it out a little bit so you can see all the colors. Okay. All the bright colors. I love this blue one. $37.50. Take a look at this. This is beautiful. You got some purples in here, some red, some orange for the trees, and here are the blues for the skies. So this is the first one. Let's get it back on the bag. Here's the first one. The second one is a cutie. It's a Shih Tzu in a shoe. It's 48 by 58. It comes in this package. Okay, let's take a look at it. All of them comes in this Ziploc bag. So let's see. This one has the card. Has double cards. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, they come in from, this is the book. The cover is the book, is the short, but take a look at this cutie. Ah, mommy. I'm in charge of your shoes. I'm gonna shoe you shoes. They're so cute. Look at this. A lot of, they have quite a block, but a lot of confetti on the face, obviously. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many colors? This one has 20 colors. It's a dog, though. And it has the instructions for cross stitch. It's a dog, and it's probably mostly browns. Let's take a look at the fabric. The fabric are not serged. That's hey, this is an 11 count. This is 48 by 58. This is an 11 count. 20 color probably is okay, because I can see the eyes. I can distinguish the dog, and I can distinguish the shoe. Okay, and even though it has a lot of confetti, it's gonna be an easy stitch. Number 20, 38, 65, which you can leave it blank if you want to. You don't have to stitch all that. That looks, the symbols looks very understandable, very bright with the DMC code. And over here in the fabric, here they are. Okay. So let's take a look at the floss real quick. Since there's not that many over here, we have some Hank. Some 38.65 probably. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3 in total. And as you can see, most of them are brown. Take a look at this one. Beautiful teal. 37.65. Here they are. These are browns, colors for the dark. This is for the background. 3 Hanks, but you can save this, you know. And here, how beautiful they are. Let me get you closer. It comes with the cards for you to, you know, but I'm not going to go through all that trouble to then come back and kit it up. So all I do is the inventory, make sure that I have all the colors, and that's it. This is a new format for me. Oh, I forgot. This one has also the needles, thread cutter, the threader, and thimble. Any other? No more. So let me put it over there. Sorry, I forgot about that. So let's put this back. This is the second one. I'm not going to even bother with the floss card because I want to... I thought I had the inventory sheet. This one doesn't have the inventory sheet. I didn't see it. So, and the last one is a 48 by 58 too, and that one I liked it. Also comes in this bag. We have the toolkit with a threader, a thimble, and a thread cutter, and some needles. This one here is a picture. Beautiful landscape, like a cobblestone. Oh my God, only 2 pages, and the symbols are not that big. And there's a lot of confetti over here. Has 28 colors and the instructions on the back. And I don't like it by a 48, 58. Should have more color. Here are the cards. Okay. I'm going to keep it on the side. I'm going to put that side. Here is the inventory sheet with the DMC code and the number of floss. Okay, and it's an 11 count. 28 colors. Take a look at this. 216 stitches by 173. Here are your 28 color. Boy, this is confetti party. Barely any blocking. Barely any blocking. This is confetti heavy. It's no search again. It has the 48 by 58, 11 count, product code, product number, and here are the symbols with the DMC code. Very clear. Here is a picture. These should have deserved more colors. But let's see, maybe it turns out. But look at all this confetti. God, where do I start? Where do I start when I get to this one? Beautiful. Let's take a look at the floss. I'm glad I didn't do it on silk because it's gonna turn out to be rough. Do we have a hank over here? I'm assuming that's for the 3756. So this is not white. This is like a mint. A very light mint. And here are the rest of the colors. I'm gonna take it out. It's only 28 colors, so here it is. It's a very colorful canvas, but I don't think that 28 colors should make it. 3750, I like it. I like that one. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment. Okay? Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Okay? I hope you have been doing a great weekend, a great Thanksgiving. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.